Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Renee Roden. If you have not already, please go ahead, like, comment, and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you're notified each and every time that I post a new video. So today is not about me. Today is about my baby. I'm gonna drop a little introduction. I'm introducing my boyfriend today, Matthew. We're not gonna get too deep into it, but yes, I am cutting my boyfriend's hair and I'm giving him this style. Don't judge my cutting tools, just trust the process. It is my first time, so be gentle with me. Please, gentle with me, all right? So here goes nothing. He is putting all of his trust in me, which I completely appreciate. And I have watched him get a haircut a plethora of times, but there is really nothing like cutting the hair for the first time. That's when you're in the hot seat. I did watch a couple of YouTube videos, but nothing's like face to face with the challenge head on, like right now, today. So without further ado, let's get right into this video and let's get to cutting.
Hey everyone, so we are back with Matthew and he has a very concerned face on, but don't you worry, we're going to trust in God and trust this process. I am first using my misting bottle and spraying his hair just to get it wet, but as you can see, I'm laughing it off. I am oversaturating his hair as a joke.
Certainly wet. I feel it. Soaking wet.
But first thing is first, please grab your clippers. I am using my Remington Virtually Indestructible all-in-one grooming kit, and I'm attaching comb number 4. I've already combed his hair in the direction that he wears it and where it generally falls. And to cut, I am starting at the nape of his neck and working my way up into the hair about halfway point of the back of his head, but I'm remaining below his temple line and his temple line all the way around his head. I am angling the comb and flicking my wrist up and out towards me at the imaginary line so that the hair where the cut meets is properly blended. Okay, so I misted his hair lightly, and now I'm combing the hair all the way to the back and holding the comb balanced and even to the shortest hair to clean up the hairline so that I am not cutting it at a right angle, because that's what would happen if I tried to eyeball it. Also, this is that time to clean up behind the ears as well. Also, if there are any hairs seeping out, slivering out from the back of his neckline from his shirt, go ahead and get those babies. They cannot stay. That same imaginary temple line we cut to use the number 4 comb. I am turning my comb teeth up into the hair and combing out to the ends and trimming the hairs off all the way across this line. So all of those long uneven hairs will make for it to be completely blended in with the cut that we just did. I am combing his hair back at an angle and cutting the ends at a vertical slant. I'm using the comb number 4 one more time to clean up my unblended areas around the temple line. And with that said, I do believe that your girl is finished. Just giving it a little comb, looking over my work. I've got confidence in it. It looks clean enough. Now for the moment of truth. Does he even like it?
Yeah, it looks a little better.
It looks a lot better? Is that what you said?
I think so. Yeah, I think it looks a lot better.
And now, for the final haircut reveal, I present Matthew.
Also guys, if you are feeling this really pillow soft fluffy hair with these super tight curls, I used all Cantu products for this look, and they were the Cantu avocado products. So if you would like to see how I got this super cute look, I will be making a video for that because I did use a specific technique to style my hair.
Up next is Matthew's brunette to blonde hair dye video.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Please go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you can see more videos each time that I upload. Bye for now.